Well guys, we have a sick video for you today. Today, the 848 is getting a new carbon fiber exhaust.
Yeah.
All right, so this exhaust comes to you by Voodoo Industries. And if you guys do know the name, you've probably associated them with, you know, small, shorty, straight GP pipes, or some of the best drag racing exhaust, sidewinder exhausts in the industry. I'm here to show you their new performance line, and it is just unlike anything they've ever put out before, and the quality is absolutely amazing. Let me pull this out of the bag just so you guys can see just how sick this system is. So this is their carbon fiber slip-on setup with titanium. And the biggest thing is any metal you see on the actual exhaust is all titanium. And this thing is stupid light. We're gonna put them on the scale before we put them on the bike. I just want to shoot a quick unboxing because they can literally just make your fast bike faster and just make some cool custom stuff. So they have everything from custom exhaust, logos, you know, just in case if you don't like the OG logo and you want a different color, they sell all these as well. And this kit in particular comes with carbon fiber straps, springs, and the spring puller. So let's go ahead and jump on over to the bike, get the Leo Vences off of there, and get these bad girls installed. So doing a slip-on is super easy to install. Now in our case, we don't have stock mufflers, so ours is probably going to be a little bit different and a little bit easier than yours. We just have these Allen key bolts on both mufflers, left and right, and then we have these springs that slip on down to the Y pipe. So I'm going to grab the spring puller, I'm going to pull those two springs off, and we're going to disconnect those Allen key bolts, and then we'll get these mufflers slid off here so we can put our new carbon cans on. So just to show you, this was the Leo Vence titanium system, and I just want to do a quick comparison because they're both lightweight exhaust systems. So I have this in grams. If we set the exhaust on here, 1.795 kilograms is what one of the Leo Vence titanium mufflers weighs. And now if we grab the Voodoo, 1.197 kilograms. That is a huge lightweight weight savings, and this is on both of the mufflers. So we're saving almost 2 kilograms just by going from a titanium lightweight slip-on to a carbon fiber and titanium lightweight slip-on. Wow, that's always a good thing. And the difference is $1,000 to $1,200 slip-on system, and you can get these for 500 bucks. I'll definitely have a link down in the description below, but now let's get them fitted to the bike. All right, they are installed and they look sick. Now, Voodoo Industries did send me some extra of the logos to rivet on, and I was gonna run these black ones. He also sent me like a red one and a green one so we could do like the Italian theme left and right. But now that it's on the bike, just the subtle hint of red and the silver, I think honestly fits the bike better, and it looks amazing. So now the best part of any one of these installs, let's start it up and hear how it sounds. A lot more bassier than the Leo Vence system for sure. Let's let it warm up so we can give her some revs. Woo! That thing sounds bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Huge shout out to Voodoo Industries for jumping on board and helping us only get a little bit faster. And if you guys like watching stuff like this, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.